Okay, would you please introduce yourself?
Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Tomara Reclaman, please. I am 34 years old. I have three children. My firstborn was 12, my secondborn was 10, and then my son was 8 years old.
Okay, so what is your educational background?
High school graduate.
Do you have experience as a domestic helper before?
Yes, ma'am. Here in the Philippines.
How long did you work here in Philippines?
2 years po.
2 years. What are your duties and responsibility?
Taking care of the children and babies, and also I will cook and
Okay, how old is the children that you take care?
it's 2 years old and 7 years old.
How many are they in the family?
4.
4. So only one helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what do you want to take care? Newborn or children?
Newborn.
Newborn. So, if your holiday is not on Sunday, do you agree?
No.
If your holiday is not on Sunday, do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Are you willing to share room with babies, children, and elderly?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work with another helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of dog or cat?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of disabled?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you drink alcohol or smoke regularly?
No, ma'am.
Do you eat pork?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Do you have vision problems?
No, ma'am.
Do you hold any certificate like first aid, caregiver, nurse, and babysitter?
No, ma'am.
Have you any prolonged illnesses undergone surgery?
No, ma'am.
Have you ever involved in any criminal labor police cases?
No, ma'am.
So, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work from Hong Kong because this is a high salary and I want to save for the education of my children and also help my mother and father.
Okay, thank you.